Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to enable blue light filter in your MIUI. First, go to your setting app, then search for reading mode. Click on it. From here you can see that I have already enabled reading mode, which displays and reduces displays blue light emission. If I turn it off, then you can see that the brightness of screen changes, or more precisely the blue light emission of the screen changes. If I turn it off again, on again, then I can see it changes again. You can adjust the emission of blue light from this slider down here, or you can customize your schedule according to your preference. I simply always turn it off on like that. Thank you for watching this video.